Hey everyone, let's talk about making your learning journey feel really smooth and successful. So, what's the secret to a really smooth learning journey? How do you find that flow? Well, it all starts with consistency. It's the secret weapon for mastering pretty much anything.
So let's look at the golden keys that'll unlock your path to success and learning harmony.
All right, first up, the 3-hour golden rule. Think of this one as your flexibility superpower. Just give a 3-hour heads up to reschedule. It's an easy way to honor everyone's time.
Okay, next key, honoring your connection. This is all about respecting your teacher and their time.
Get this, your teacher will actually wait for you for 20 minutes. That shows how dedicated they are. They're holding that space just for you. So let's try to be on time to honor that connection. And the third key, it's for when life just happens. We totally get it. We aren't robots. Things like tech issues or family stuff are totally valid reasons to miss class. And if a real emergency comes up, don't worry, we've got your back with a makeup session. Just a quick note on group classes. Their schedules are fixed to keep that harmony for everyone. 2 pro tips for a smooth flow: keep your balance ready and check your class report afterwards. And finally, the master key to it all, your partnership with us, your partners in success. Your support team is your best friend here. Seriously, if you're ever in doubt, just reach out.